with the MD2 lights, two of the most common things that we get, problems that we encounter, are the light doesn't work or it's intermittent or something. And that's usually because the switch in the tail cap, the McClicky switch that we showed you how to replace earlier, is loose or needs to be replaced, or the ring in the head, which is this retaining ring, is not tightened down, and the drop-in can rattle in there, so it's not making good contact. We have this little spanner that we sell on our website that has the two holes here perfectly matched up to go in here, so you can tighten and loosen it. And if you need to get some leverage, you can put a screwdriver through that hole or something. What we're going to do here is just do a quick lens replacement. I've gotten that ring loose. Pull the drop-in out and get the old lens out. Gonna get the old gasket out. Now, you might want to clean the inside with some flux cleaner or acetone if you so desire. Unless it's really nasty in there, it's not necessary, but it usually doesn't get that nasty in there. Then we've got our replacement lens, which it's got this protective blue film on both sides. And the best way I've found to get it off, unless you've got really good fingernails, is to use a little X-Acto type knife. Then you want to drop in the gasket, this flat gasket. This is actually for the 16.5 head, which this one is. The head that we sell, that's an older head. The heads that we sell currently use the smaller gasket. The gaskets are kind of interchangeable, but drop the lens in there, drop the drop-in in place, put this in there. The best way I found to do it is turn it the wrong way until you feel it click. Then you can start screwing it down. Now, when we are assembling these here, a lot of times what we'll do is I've made this little tool, and if you're interested in one of these tools, I can make one for you. You just have to let me know. But what this tool does is I've just welded a little driver adapter onto the back of one of those same tools. And this is a 12-volt DeWalt driver. Generates up to 110 foot-pounds, which is just right for getting this tight. It doesn't get it too tight, and it's tight enough to where it doesn't come loose. I've also put a couple of indexing marks on this right where the nubs are, because when you get it down in here, it can be kind of tough to get everything lined up. As you can see. There it goes. Now you want to tighten it kind of slow. Well, there, you want to tighten it kind of slow until it actually tightens, and then just hit it a couple times, and it's completely tightened down to the right tightness. Then you put it back together. You're all good to go and your ILO works the way it's supposed to.